Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the express checkout options from your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and go to Online Store and then Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and click on the three-dot icon next to it. Select Edit Code from the menu. You'll be redirected to a page where you can edit your theme's code. In the search bar, type cart to find relevant files. Look for a file named maincartfooter.liquid and click on it to open. Once you're in the maincartfooter.liquid file, scroll down until you find a section with the code for additional checkout buttons. You'll need to delete the code between this and this. This code controls the display of the express checkout buttons. After removing the code, click Save to apply to your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed the checkout options from your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.